Oh, well, hi guys, I am Aaron Rivera from General Academic Strand in Espalad Integrated High School. Today I will teach you how to use text wrapping in Microsoft 2010. Alright, let's pick this word, Microsoft. You can see that there was just an blank document. After that, let's go to Opera Mini Browser and pick some sample text. Let's try this one, Pygmalion and Galatea's story. Copy this. Let's copy this one, then copy, then get back again to Microsoft, then Control B. After copy, let's make this font, let's make this text look smaller. Alright. After that, let's get some sample of image in browser in Opera Mini. Let's try this Echo and Narcissus. Let's copy the image, then paste again in the document. After that, alright, let's edit this one. Alright, now I'm gonna teach you how to text wrap this image. First is inline with text. Inline with text because you can see that the image is between the text. Like this Ancient Greece, or it's used because it's just a description for your image that you use after the text, and it looks like in the middle and is in line with the text. And next is square. Square. It follows, the text follows the image, the shape of the image, just like this. If the image was square, then the text would be square pattern, like that. Next was tight. Just like square, but the image was tight and there's no frame after that image. Okay, next. True. It's like the same. It's true. Top and bottom. Let's put this in the middle. You can see that the image is between the bottom and the top, just like the same description for your image. And behind the text, you can see that the image is behind the text and then the text float. But let me give you some tip that you must use an image that is so light in color and bright, and because if you use dark in colors, the text can't read because it's darkened, and you must use. But if you use darken picture, use colors in your another color in your text. Next, the wrap text is in front of the text. You can see that the image is float, but the text is behind, but the text can see. That's it, guys. After that, let's back this one up the top. Let's make this inline with text. Alright, guys. After that, save your document, just like that, and save. Alright, that's it. Okay, guys. It's already saved, right? Yeah. Save. Alright, guys. Thank you for your cooperation and for watching my tutorial video. I hope you understand and learn what I teach you today. Invite your friends, classmates to watch this video. For more this tutorial video, keep watching this video and click like for more. And thank you. That's it. Bye.